Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss fertilization in plants. Okay, this is the topic from class 8 biology, that is chapter 2 reproduction in plants and animals. Okay, so the topic which we are going to discuss today is fertilization in plants. So basically, before starting this fertilization, you should know regarding the pollination. Okay, pollination, you all know, it is the process in which the pollen grains, they are transferred from anther to stigma. Okay, so you all know anther, it is a bilobed structure. Okay, this is filament. Okay, now this anther, it contains pollen grains. So pollination is these pollen grains, they are transferred from this anther to the stigma. This one is the stigma. Okay, and these pollen grains, they are transferred here. Okay, so in the process of pollination, the pollen grains, they get transferred from anther to the stigma. Anther, that is the male part, to the stigma, that is the female part. Okay, so these stigma, style and ovary, these three together makes carpel or pistil, which is the female reproductive part. Okay, and stamen, it comprises of anther and filament. So this anther and this filament, they makes up the male part, which is stamen. Okay, and this anther, it contains dust like or powdery substance which is known as pollen grains. Okay, so the important thing here to remember is the process of pollination is followed by the process of fertilization. Okay, once the process of pollination is completed, it will be followed by the process of fertilization. Okay, now what is fertilization? Okay, fertilization. Fertilization means in the process, the male gamete, it fuses with the female gamete. Okay, there is fusion of male gamete and the female gamete, and it results in the formation of zygote. So this complete process is known as fertilization. So the definition of fertilization is, it is a process in which there is fusion of male gamete with female gamete in order to produce zygote. Okay, so the resultant product or the structure which is obtained after fertilization is zygote. Okay, this we are going to discuss. Now we will start. See, once the pollen grains, they reach to this stigma, you all know this is the stigma, this is style. Okay, these are the pollen grains, Now beta, see what I told you. Once these pollen grains, they reach or they get deposited on this stigma, okay, what happens to these pollens? They grows into a tube like structure which is known as pollen tube. इट इज़ नोन एज पोलन ट्यूब. ओके, क्या होता है जब पोलन ग्रेन्स स्टिग्मा पे आके गिर जाते हैं या स्टिग्मा पे डिपॉजिट हो जाते हैं तो पोलन क्या होते हैं एक ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर में ग्रो कर जाता है और उस ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर का नाम क्या आपका पोलन ट्यूब. ओके, एंड दिस पोलन ट्यूब इट ग्रोज थ्रू द स्टाइल. ये स्टाइल्स से होते हुए क्या करता है, ग्रो कर जाता है. ओके, तो बेटा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. ठीक है, पॉलिनेशन के बाद क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे पोलन ग्रेन आके गिरे स्टिग्मा पे, पोलन की ग्रोथ हुई, उसने एक ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाया जिस ट्यूब को नाम दिया पोलन ट्यूब. और ये पोलन ट्यूब के स्टाइल से ग्रो करती है. ओके, अब आप देख रहे हैं ये जो पोलन ट्यूब है, आई विल डार्क इट जस्ट टू डिफ्रेंशिएट. ओके, यू कैन सी this pollen tube. Okay, this one is the pollen tube, the dark one. Okay, I have darkened it so that it becomes easy for you to identify this tube. So this is the pollen tube. This pollen tube, okay, it enters the ovule. Okay, it enters the ovule. This is the, ठीक है, see beta, this one is the ovary. Okay, this is embryo sac. This embryo sac, it is contained in the ovule. And inside this embryo sac you can see these are polar nuclei or polar cell. Okay, so this pollen tube it enters the ovule through an opening. Okay, this is the opening, through an opening. This opening is known as micropyle. An important word to remember, micropyle is the point or is the opening through which the pollen tube enters into the ovule. Okay, this pollen tube it enters into the ovule through an opening which is known as micropyle. Okay, now see, after this pollen tube it enters into this ovule, what happens, this pollen tube it carries two male gametes. It is carrying two male gametes. Okay, now one of the male gamete from this pollen tube it fuses with the egg. Okay, inside the ovule it fuses with the egg. Okay, which results into the formation of zygote, and this process is known as syngamy. Okay, the process is known as syngamy. So syngamy is simply fusion of male gamete and female gamete that results in the formation of zygote. So this is the first fusion which takes place inside the embryo sac. Okay, first fusion means one of the male gamete from the pollen tube, okay, it fuses with the egg in the embryo sac, and it results in the formation of zygote, and the fusion of this male gamete from the pollen tube with the egg is known as syngamy. Okay, so this is the first fusion which occurs inside the embryo sac. Now what happens to the second male gamete? The second male gamete again it enters this embryo sac and it fuses with this two polar nuclei. So this is the male gamete. Okay, so one of the male gamete from the pollen tube it fuses with this two cells, okay, and this type of fusion is known as ट्रिपल फ्यूजन। अब बेटा यहाँ पे हम ट्रिपल फ्यूजन क्यों कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 सेल्स का क्या इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, एक तो मेल आ गया और 2 आपके क्या आ गए इनसाइड दिस एम्ब्रियो सैक, 2 polar nuclei are present. So total 3 nuclei they are taking part in this fusion. That's why this fusion is known as triple fusion. So this is the second fusion which is taking place inside the embryo sac. So inside the embryo sac 2 fusions are occurring. One is fusion of male gamete from the pollen tube with the egg in the embryo sac that results in the formation of zygote, and this process is known as syngamy. And the other fusion is fusion of the other male gamete with the 2 polar nuclei, which is known as triple fusion. So 2 fusions are occurring, that's why this process is known as double fertilization. इसको क्या बोल सकते हैं, डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन। तो अब आप समझ गए होंगे डबल क्यों कहा हमने, क्योंकि एम्ब्रियो सैक के अंदर क्या हो रहा है, 2 बार फ्यूजन की प्रोसेस हो रही है। एक बार तो क्या हो रहा है, जो मेल गैमीट है पोलन ट्यूब से, पोलन ट्यूब के अंदर क्या है, 2 मेल गैमीट हैं, एक मेल गैमीट पोलन ट्यूब से आ रहा है और ओव्यूल जो एम्ब्रियो सैक के अंदर जो एग सेल है, ठीक है, उसके साथ फ्यूज़ कर रहा है और क्या बना रहा है, जाइगोट। दूसरी बार क्या हो रहा है, जो दूसरा मेल गैमीट है वो दोबारा इधर आ रहा है और 2 पोलर न्यूक्लियाई थे हमारे, इनके साथ क्या कर रहा है, फ्यूज़ कर रहा है, और इस फ्यूजन को बोलते हैं ट्रिपल फ्यूजन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3, ठीक है, 3 सेल्स का क्या इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज ट्रिपल फ्यूजन। तो इस तरह से क्या हो रहा है, एम्ब्रियो सैक के अंदर 2 बार फर्टिलाइजेशन हो रहा है, ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन। Now, after the process of fertilization is completed, the ovary it changes to fruit and the ovule it develops into seed.